In this video, I'll show you how to build a 6-sided tree planter. Let's get right to it. For this project, I'm going to need to cut pieces of wood at 60-degree angles. Unfortunately, my miter box only has slots for 45-degree angles. So I've made a crude jig out of scrap pieces that'll get me the angles I need. I've made it so I can adjust it for other angles if I need to. I'll be using 1 3/4-inch square boards that I'll cut into 9-inch pieces. The ends of each piece will be opposite 60-degree angles. I'll then spend a few minutes sanding down all the ends. This planter will have 5 layers, each with 6 pieces, so I'll need 30 identical pieces in total. To begin assembly, I'll lay out 2 pieces so that they align at 60 degrees. To attach them, I'll be driving in a screw at a slight angle. First, I'll begin drilling a pilot hole perpendicular to the board, and then adjust it so that it continues on the angle I need. Next, I'll countersink the hole with a Phillips drill bit, and then add some glue to the mating surfaces before putting in the screw. This process is then repeated as I go around attaching the 6 pieces that make up the first layer. To begin the second layer, I'll overlap one of the joints to create an offset look. This will also ensure the joints are secured more tightly. To attach this second layer, I'll apply some glue along the length of each piece and then angle a screw downwards at one end. With the 5th layer complete, I'll go around and add a second screw to the other end of each top layer piece to connect them all together. To create the base, I'll lay out a board and place the planter frame on it. Using a pencil, I'll mark the angles and then cut them with the handsaw. I'll do this 4 times, once for each of the boards that will make up the base. Once I have all the base boards in place, I'll slide 2 additional wood pieces under the base and measure out where to attach them. After flipping the planter over, I'll position the pieces so they can be attached to the frame. These will provide an area to attach the base boards to, as well as raise the planter off the ground. 1 screw on each end of the board should be enough. Using a drill, I'll add some drain holes around the base. With the main structure complete, I can now add a wood stain to give the planter some color. I have a small tree left over from the holiday season that I'm going to keep in this planter. I'll add some extra soil first to create a base layer. Next, I'll loosen up the base of the tree in the pot by tapping around the outside area. Once transferred to the planter, I'll begin to add soil, pressing it down as I go. With all the soil in, the last step will be to add some water that'll help compress the soil, creating a firmer base. Well, folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and take away some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.